Castiglioncello, located along the Tuscan coast, is known for its stunning scenic beauty and serene atmosphere. The town is renowned for its picturesque coastline, dotted with rocky coves and beautiful sandy beaches. Its natural landscapes, with lush pine forests and crystal-clear waters, have made it a popular destination for nature lovers and those seeking a peaceful retreat. The area offers ample opportunities for hiking, swimming, and relaxing in a tranquil environment. Historically, Castiglioncello has been a hub for artists and intellectuals, especially during the early 20th century. The town became a significant center for the Futurist movement, attracting notable figures such as Aldo Palazzeschi and Giorgio de Chirico. Their works and influence helped to shape the cultural identity of the region. Today, the town maintains a connection to the arts, with various galleries and exhibitions highlighting its rich artistic legacy. The town's location makes it a prime destination for those interested in exploring Tuscan history. Castiglioncello is just a short distance from historical cities like Livorno and Pisa, offering visitors the chance to explore both coastal and inland attractions. The town itself is home to several historic villas, and its proximity to ancient ruins and medieval towns makes it an ideal base for exploring Tuscany's cultural heritage. Castiglioncello is also famous for its Mediterranean cuisine. Fresh seafood, local produce, and regional specialties like pappardelle al cinghiale, wild boar pasta, are staples of the area's restaurants. Dining here is a unique experience, with many restaurants offering outdoor terraces where diners can enjoy their meals while overlooking the sea. The town's culinary offerings are a reflection of Tuscany's rich agricultural traditions, combined with the bounty of the surrounding sea. The town is closely linked to the fishing tradition of the region. For centuries, local fishermen have worked the waters off the coast, bringing in fresh fish and seafood that are central to the area's cuisine. Visitors to Castiglioncello can often find fresh fish markets along the waterfront, offering an authentic experience of the town's long-standing relationship with the sea. Fishing also plays a role in the local economy, contributing to the town's livelihood and its connection to the maritime heritage. Castiglioncello is part of the larger Etruscan coast region, an area rich in archaeological significance. The nearby Etruscan ruins at Populonia and Barati provide visitors with an opportunity to step back in time and explore the ancient civilization that once thrived in this part of Tuscany. The Etruscans were known for their artistic and architectural accomplishments, and remnants of their settlements can still be seen in the landscape, offering a glimpse into Italy's early history. The town has a mild Mediterranean climate, which makes it a year-round destination for visitors. In the summer, the town is a popular destination for those looking to enjoy beach vacations, while in the cooler months, it attracts travelers seeking a quiet place to unwind and enjoy the beauty of Tuscany. The temperate climate also supports a wide variety of flora and fauna, making the region ideal for nature walks and outdoor activities, including birdwatching and photography. Castiglioncello is well known for its commitment to sustainability and environmental preservation. Local authorities have taken significant steps to ensure that the town maintains its natural beauty while accommodating modern tourism. Efforts to preserve the coastal ecosystems and reduce the environmental impact of tourism are ongoing, making Castiglioncello a model of sustainable development in the region. Local businesses are also involved in eco-friendly initiatives to protect the environment. The town has a strong cultural calendar, with many events held throughout the year. One of the most notable is the Castiglioncello Film Festival, which attracts filmmakers and cinephiles from around the world. This festival highlights independent films and promotes the work of emerging filmmakers. The town also hosts a variety of music festivals, including classical and contemporary performances, which further enrich the cultural experience for visitors. Another major attraction in Castiglioncello is its cinema culture, with the town regularly hosting film screenings and film-related events. The Castiglioncello Film Festival is one of the key events that brings international filmmakers to the town. The festival highlights independent cinema and serves as a platform for emerging talents in the film industry. Visitors can experience world-class cinema in an intimate and welcoming atmosphere, celebrating the art of storytelling through film. The local beach clubs in Castiglioncello offer a range of services for beachgoers, from private sunbeds and umbrellas to water sports rentals and bars serving refreshing drinks. Many of the beach clubs also feature restaurants where visitors can enjoy delicious seafood dishes while overlooking the stunning coastline. The beach clubs offer a perfect balance between relaxation and convenience, making them an excellent choice for those looking to spend a day at the beach with all the necessary amenities. For those interested in Tuscany's wine culture, Castiglioncello is situated near several renowned wine-producing regions, such as Chianti and the Montalcino area. Many of the region's wineries offer tours and tastings, where visitors can sample some of the finest wines that Tuscany has to offer. The town's close proximity to these vineyards makes it a perfect starting point for wine lovers looking to explore the local terroir and discover the rich history of Tuscan winemaking. Castiglioncello is a town that celebrates the local traditions of Tuscany, with many annual festivals dedicated to regional customs. One of the most popular is the Festa della Madonna del Carmen, a religious festival held each summer that includes a procession, fireworks, and traditional celebrations. The festival is a great opportunity for visitors to experience the spiritual and communal aspects of life in Castiglioncello, and to see the town come together in celebration. The town's small but well-equipped marina makes it an ideal spot for boating enthusiasts. The marina offers mooring spaces for yachts and small boats, and it is well protected by natural barriers that ensure calm waters, even on windy days. Castiglioncello's strategic location on the coast makes it an excellent starting point for boat trips along the Tuscan coast, and the marina is a hub for locals and visitors who enjoy sailing and other water-based activities. A significant part of Castiglioncello's appeal is its fascinating geology. The town is located along the Tuscan coast, an area that has been shaped by both natural forces and human activity over millennia. The surrounding cliffs, beaches, and coves are composed of a variety of rock formations, including limestone, marble, and sandstone. Geologists and nature enthusiasts often visit Castiglioncello to study these formations, while tourists can enjoy the stunning views they create along the coast. For those interested in historical landmarks, Castiglioncello offers several key sites to visit, including the Castello di Castiglioncello, a historic castle that has been partially restored and is open to the public. The castle dates back to the Middle Ages and offers spectacular views of the surrounding area, including the town, the coast, and the Mediterranean Sea. The castle is an excellent spot for history buffs and those who want to learn more about the region's past. The town is also known for its boutique hotels and charming bed and breakfasts, which provide cozy accommodations for visitors seeking a more intimate experience. Many of these places offer personalized services and have a distinctive character that reflects the town's artistic and historical influences. Whether you choose to stay in a villa overlooking the sea or a quaint inn in the town center, Castiglioncello's hospitality ensures a memorable stay. For art lovers, Castiglioncello offers several public sculptures and outdoor art installations that reflect the town's artistic heritage. Local sculptors have contributed to the town's visual landscape, with pieces that can be found in gardens, parks, and public spaces. These installations often complement the town's natural beauty, creating a harmonious blend of art and nature. Castiglioncello's commitment to the arts makes it a unique destination for those seeking both culture and beauty. Lastly, Castiglioncello's vibrant nightlife offers an array of options for those looking to enjoy a night out. The town has a variety of bars, cafes, and lounges where locals and visitors gather to socialize and unwind.